Kabilang po ang anggulong planado at diversionary tactic lang sa mga inimbisigahan ng Philippine National Police kaugnay sa gulo sa Senado nitong Miyerkules ng gabi. Inaalam din ng PNP kung sino-sino ang mga nagpaputok ng baril. Ayon sa PNP, nasa 10 ang posibleng nagpaputok ng baril nitong Miyerkules. Nanindigan naman si Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano na hindi planado o gawa-gawa ang pamamaril sa Senado para makatakas si Senador Bato de la Rosa.
I don't think there's any question. The Senate is under attack, was under attack. All of you, your lives were in danger last night. So I know it's your job to ask a question, but you will tell me, pagka may nagpaputok na warning, hindi under attack yon? My God. There's speculation, may nagsasabi, kami daw ni Bato nagplano or tinanong nyo. Legitimate question yung tanong nyo. Diversionary. If it was a diversionary tactic, it was crazy. Why? When you did that, lalong dumami yung tao dito eh. Lalong dumami yung pulis. Napakagaling ko naman mag-orchestrate ng lahat na yan. Kaya kong papunta.